Hey everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Lore. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up Shopify Payments for global customers so you can accept payments worldwide. Make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss any steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Enable Shopify Payments. Log into your Shopify admin panel. Go to Settings greater than Payments, then select Shopify Payments and click Activate. Step 2. Enter business and bank details. Fill in your business information, including legal name and tax details. Then add your bank account information to receive payouts. Step 3. Choose currencies and payment methods. Enable multiple currencies under Settings greater than Markets to accept international payments. Activate credit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and local payment methods to support global transactions. Step 4. Verify your identity and set taxes. Shopify may require identity verification with documents like a business license or government ID. Also, configure tax settings if needed for international sales. Step 5. Test and launch payments. Enable test mode in Settings greater than Payments to check if transactions process correctly. Once verified, disable test mode to start accepting real payments. Outro. And that's it. Your Shopify payments are now set up for global customers, allowing you to accept payments worldwide. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tutorial Lore for more e-commerce tips. See you in the next video.